Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you ask me, you can never have too many totes or bags laying around the house. Well, this one right here is the latest I've added to my collection, and I absolutely love it. This beach bag I specifically got for a trip that we were taking, and I knew we would be going to the pool. I wanted to make sure it would carry all of our stuff that we needed, and it was absolutely perfect. I love the size of this bag first and foremost. I am able to fit so much in here, whether it's towels, sunscreen, extra clothes, or even my son's life jacket, to make it easier for us to go anywhere we need to when we use this bag. Not only is the main compartment of this bag extremely large, but it also has pockets both on the side and on the inside. This was really convenient for me to put some of our smaller items so I could easily access them. I also really love that it has a zipper top. So if you don't stuff it too full, you can actually zip the top so everything you have in here is secured and nothing is gonna fall out with that zipper in use. The bag itself is just so absolutely cute. This is the warm gray color, and it's made of a really nice, thick, durable canvas. I also love the super adorable, really thick, soft rope handles. This just really adds such a nice, fun touch to the bag. So if you need a nice, durable, and super cute bag for your next trip, check out this beach bag. And that's just my point of view.